I have a Carrier Infinity thermostat with apt wiring, green, blue, white, and red. Can I change this to Honeywell Wi-Fi thermostat? Do I need a separate wire 24-vac to power for Wi-Fi? Honeywell said return it and do not use. What do you think?
Hello, you can do this. But the 4-wire system, ABT, is set up as a communicating system. The furnace, thermostat and AC talk to each with control signals and modulate operation in the most efficient manner possible.
You can remove the ABT and move to R, G, Y, W, and C at both thermostat and furnace.but, but it does dumb down the system.
Your Infinity system was designed with communication ability to work as a pair.the. The Wi-Fi will be a basic on/off application. Would you like to know how to do this? Is the Wi-Fi or efficiency most important to you? Billy.
Okay, then can I buy the Wi-Fi Infinity maybe Edge because it has A, B, C, D wires? Will I be able to program it simply connecting and following the screen menu, or do I have to get the help of a technician? Unit is $250, but carrier agent wants $770 to install.
The thermostat is self-prompting. If you can program a DVD/VCR, you can likely program the thermostat. You probably will notice a difference in operation of the system. It will still get you where you want, but just not as efficient/cost effective.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.